Hi guys, welcome to Cup of Teach. This time I'm going to discuss the Z-scores or the standard score. What is Z-score? A Z-score, also called a standard score. It gives you an idea of how far from the mean a data point is. But more technically, it's measure of how many standard deviations below or above the population mean a row score is. A Z-score can be placed on a normal distribution curve. So we have two formulas for the Z-score. This is the first one. This is for the population data. What is population data? A population data set contains all members of a specified group, the entire list of possible data values. And the other one is for the sample data. So what is sample data? A sample data set contains a part or a subset of a population. So let's have here X for the given measurement. Lowercase mu, that is population mean. Lowercase sigma, that is population standard deviation. X bar, that is sample mean. And S for the sample standard deviation. Kaya mapapansin mo dito sa dalawang formula natin, yung una ay gumamit tayo ng mu and lowercase sigma. So kapag ito ang ginamit nating symbol, we're going to compute the population data. Pero kapag ang X bar naman ang ginamit natin tsaka S, so ang kinukompute natin dyan ay yung sample data. The z-value leads to the area under the curve found in normal curve table, which is probability, and that probability gives the desired percentage for x. For example, reading scores. Given the mean, mu, is equal to 60 and the standard deviation, lowercase sigma, is equal to 2 of a population of reading scores. Find the z-value that corresponds to a score x is equal to 68. So we're going to use yung formula for population data. So z is equal to x minus mu over the lowercase sigma. By substitution, we will have now 68 minus 60 over 2. Then subtract natin ang 68 at saka 60. Z is equal to 8 over 2. And 8 over 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, ang z-value that corresponds to the row score of 68 is 4 in the population distribution of reading scores. Sample number 2, scores in mathematics. Locate the z-value that corresponds to a mathematics score of 49 given the mean or mu is equal to 61 and standard deviation lowercase sigma is equal to 6. So, gagamitin ulit natin dito ang formula for population data, which is z is equal to x minus mu or mean over the lowercase sigma or standard deviation. By substitution, we will have now z is equal to 49 minus 61 all over 6. 49 minus 61 is negative 12. Divide by 6. Therefore, ang ating z is negative 2. So, the z-value that corresponds to the row score of 49 is negative 2 in the population distribution of mathematics scores. Example number 3, scores in science test. Given x is equal to 40, so this time, ang gagamitin natin ay yung mean ng sample data. So that is x bar is equal to 36 and S for the standard deviation of sample data, which is equal to 8, then compute the corresponding z-score. So this is the formula for the sample data. So x bar tayo dito and then S. Substitution, we will have now 40 minus 36 all over 8. 40 minus 36 is 4. Divide by 8. Therefore, ang z natin ay 0.5. So, the z-value that corresponds to the row score of 40 is 0.5 in the population distribution of mathematics scores. And for the sample number 4, scores in Filipino. Given x is equal to 65, the x bar or mean for the sample data is equal to 43, and S for the standard deviation sample data, which is equal to 7, compute the corresponding z-score. So again, we're going to use the formula for the sample data. Substitution, we will have now 65 minus 43 all over 7. 65 minus 43 is 22. Divide by 7. Ang z natin ay 3.14. So, the z-value that correspond to the row score of 65 is 3.14 in the population distribution of Filipino scores.
Thank you for watching. That's it for this video. If you learned something here, don't forget to like and subscribe to Cup of Teach. See you on the next lesson. Bye!